Okay, I'm Richard Garcia, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Richard P. Garcia 619. Welcome to my sports channel, Sports Break and Unboxing. Well, today, happy release day of 2026 tops for today. So we are going to be doing a one hobby box of 2026 tops series 1. Now, just keep in mind that they will be the 1991 tops inserts, like you'll see in the regular 91 tops of baseball. So as soon as I lower the camera down, let's go ahead and see what we got out of here. So, all right, so let's see what we got out of here. Now I'm gonna be super ripping the packs, okay? Oh, and you do get a box topper. So not a box topper, but you do get one of those the silver chromes that they're gonna be doing right over here. So let's take out the packs. And then have it just like so. Or we can do whatever we want to do. Or let's take the box out of here. 5, 10. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna super rip all the packs up here. So let's see what we have over here. So let's see what we got over here. We're gonna put that last right here. Oh, and by the way, that's what you're gonna see right here, and it starts with a Ramon Anthony. So let's do. All right, that's what. Now we are going to do retail, and I don't know. We don't know if the stars of the MLB will be back or not. So I did got my first. Looks like I see a Ramon Anthony rookie card in there. Now the top 5 rookies I looked up were Jacob Marawaski, Ramon Anthony, Colson Montgomery, and I forgot the other dude. Oh, I think we got a Nathan Church. I don't know if that's... Should have super ripped these packs before I started the video. Oh yeah, I forgot. Brady House is another top rookie in there. Brady House is another one. Whoa, easy there. Now I'm gonna separate my rookies if they're not well, but the well-known ones. I think Drew Gilbert's another one. I'm not sure. All right, here we go. Here we go with this whole stack. Let's take all this out of here. See all this right here? I just got done super ripping my packs. Sorry if I took a long time on super ripping my packs, but today. Happy release day for 2026 Top Series 1. 2026. So we'll do it like this. And here we go. Now, let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble here. Here we go. Got a Ronald Acuna Jr. Well, I'm going to put my good cards. You got Sidney Rafaela. Here we go. Matt Shaw. You got the sophomore guys right here. Separate your rookies. Oh, we got a 1991. Ooh, we got a 91 pink. Nolan Arenado. Okay. So we're going to have to separate the... So we got a pink. Now here's what the setups look like right there. And we got an Alex Freeland. We got the relic. So that's going to be a relic right there. So the relic does come up pretty early. Hopefully they're not going to be doing this to the cards. I think the cards are flipped upside down. I don't know why they're with the card. That's. Got Mookie Betts. We got another 1991 here. So these are the 1991s we are talking about. I did got a 91 pink. Oh, we got a Jac Caglianone. Oh, right. That's the ones we're chasing after right there. And we also have other rookies. Yep, Alex Freeland. All right, so we got. I don't know what these are. These are called profiles of Ken Griffey Jr. We'll put the insert right here. James Wood on the second year. And a J-Rod, okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. Still got more on the cards right here. We have Otto Kemp here. I don't know who Otto Kemp is. I thought I said that's what. Wow, I got doubles. Okay, that's weird. I have doubles on the cards. I like the way these are. I like the designs. That might be. Okay. Got a Matt Olson. Judge, got those league leaders. We always gonna have those league leader cards right here. So anyway, I want to wish everybody a happy release date for Topps 2026. Now here's a Jac Caglianone on the 91. That's a good one. That's a good one right there. Only bad news, guys. I have bad news is the cards are they keep on like it's like. They keep on flipping. They're inside out. They're just like the Donruss. And this is going to be one of those foil boards. Okay, so all right. We're gonna have to hold on for a second, guys. I'm gonna put the inserts right here, the parallels right here. The common rookies and I always separate my good pile. And here we go. Ramon Anthony. Nice to have a Ramon Anthony. I don't know who that is, but Ronald Acuna Jr. Judge. And this is what we have right here. I don't know what these are, but and then we got a Bryce Harper. So we already got the relic already. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna sleeve up the relic here. We're gonna go ahead and sleeve up the relic. That's too big. I think the sleeves are too big. So I gotta wish everybody happy release day for Topps. All right. So let's see. We're gonna do what we could. All right. Here we go. That was the Alex Freeland. I wonder if he's good or not. Here's another 91 with Ronald Acuna Jr. That Bubba Chandler. Okay, we'll put him there. So, what do you think about the designs for this year's Topps design for 2026? Well, it looks pretty. It looks pretty good. I like the designs. They're not how they have the team name up on upper lower the upper lower corner left, and they put the logo on the bottom. There's Clayton Kershaw, who played his last season, and he got his World Series ring. Gavin Sheets for my Padres for my PC. Here's another Alex Freeland. I wonder if he's good. Another. Okay, we got another foil coming up. So that's going to be the. Hold on for a second. I'm getting confused. We're going to. I wonder if am I going to have a numbered card or not. Okay, here we go. Colson Montgomery. That's the one we're looking for. Yeah, Colson Montgomery, followed by Brady House, rookie card. Jacob Wilson. We'll put them right there. Bobby Witt Jr. Now, another Mookie Betts. Ayla de Cruz. Card is flipped upside down. We have one of those. We have one of those 75th Topps anniversary, and that is a Sonny Gray. That's nice. For the San Diego Padres, we have another one of those. So you do get doubles. Here's another one of 91. You got the big unit, Randy Johnson. Here we go. Another one, Jacob Marawaski. That's another one we're looking for right there. And then here's your teammates, Lawrence Butler with Nick Hurst. We'll put that one right there. Kobe Mayonnaise, Otani, Jackson Merrill. Rookie second year. Yamamoto, Paul Skeens. And we have one of these greatest hits. Arenado, Adele. And that will do it. That's going to do it. So, okay. Let's. Well, I forgot one more thing. We forgot to add the 1991 Silver Pack Chrome. Let's see what we got out of here. It starts with the Wizard of Oz, Craig Biggio, and I see a Gunnar Henderson, and I see a purple. Ooh, I got a Jac Caglianone on the purple, and this one is this numbered? And it's numbered out of 250 on the Jac Caglianone. And way to end it with a walk-off. All right. Let's go ahead and sleeve this little bad boy of Jac Caglianone on the purple chrome out of 150 here. That I think that topped it off. I think that's a good one right there. And let's move this right over here. And right over here, let's put those right over there. Okay, guys, this is what we have. I have Ozzie Smith, Craig Biggio, and Gunnar Henderson. So we're going to put those right over here. And that's going to do it for my 2026 Topps Series 1 break. So anyway, if you like what you see, please like my videos. Please comment. And everybody, do not forget to subscribe me on my, on my YouTube channel at Richard P. Garcia 619 as I try to reach 500 subscribers by the end of 2026. I'm Richard P. Garcia, and I'm going to say this to everybody. The vlog is over. I repeat, the vlog is over. Peace out, everybody. And I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.